The Magic Raindrop. In a forgotten part of a garden lived Remy. He was a long-nosed boopling, a mouse-like forest creature. Something new is in the wind today, and his nose is tingling with adventure. Raindrops slide off a leaf high on a tree, and then one special drop floats in the air and gleams at him. A magic drop. Remy gasps in wonder. The raindrop bumps his nose gently and tumbles away, floating through the garden. Remy hurries toward it. He's got to catch that drop, he thought. He chases the raindrop with no luck and watches it float away. Over to where Tish the ladybug was painting flowers, which was her favourite thing to do on a quiet day. Suddenly, the magic drop floats by. She was delighted by the drop and wondering if she should paint it when... Whoosh! Remy zooms in, squeaking, nose twitching wildly. Tish blinks. She understands immediately. They must follow the magic raindrop, he was saying, because he thought it was special. Adventure, fun, and chaos. Tish was in. She grabs her paintbrush and joins Remy in his caper. Not far away, Nob the caterpillar is grooving to his favourite tune, playing inside his head. He danced every day to put himself to sleep. Left shimmy, right wiggle, and snooze. Worked like a charm. But wait, the wandering raindrop lands right on his antennae. Nob's eyes fly open. There's something on my head, he thinks, but he can't see what it was exactly. And suddenly Remy dashes in, squeaking, waving madly. Remy's trying to say something like, "That's my special drop." Nob is a bit slow to understand because he still can't see the raindrop until... Whoa! Nob says as the magic raindrop floats in front of him. And then he gets it. Remy wants to catch the magic raindrop. Come on, the drop's getting away. Remy squeaks at Nob. The drop went with the breeze and then plink, landed right onto a leaf floating down the brook. All three skidded to the edge of the bank. They froze. The drop of destiny was sailing away. Remy dashes up and down the bank squeaking. Nob puffed. Tish sighed. No one had a clue what to do. Nob whispered, "Maybe if we yell." They all shout, "Come back." It did not come back. "Hurry," Remy squeaks. "It's headed for the pond." Down at the pond, Tuck the frog is fishing. Well, thinking about fishing. Tuck was still pondering if he should go fishing when he sees the shiny raindrop float by on a leaf. The magic drop lingers, but Tuck didn't think much of it. Remy scurries down the bank, squeaking in excitement. "Follow that sparkle," Remy seems to say. They gawp at the drop as it lifts up and takes to the air. They chase the magic raindrop over the meadow. Suddenly, a gleam of black. Thornbit the beetle has spotted the magic raindrop. Thornbit clicks his jaws and tries to catch the drop with his thorny legs. Thornbit stumbles and the drop spins upward. He falls on his back and flails the air. And he clicks and clacks angrily as he watches the drop get away. A shimmer, a splash. The drop danced over the water as if waiting for them to catch up, until the wind carried it onto a garden path. But they kept going. They chased it across the path, through the meadow now painted gold by the setting sun. Every blade of grass glowed, even the air sparkled. The raindrop shimmered one last time in the evening light. And it stopped beside his shoe home and settled comfily on a flower. Later that night, Remy, the forest boopling, nodded off under the sleepy sky, dreaming of tomorrow and another fun day with the special magic raindrop.